Hey guys, how's it going? It's Nick from Bling Productions here, and if you want to learn how to do this, then stay tuned, because I'm about to show you how. Alright, so we're going to start with the phone. The first thing you want to do is actually install an app, and the app is called Imaging Edge Mobile, and it's an orange looking app like this. So this is the app that you're going to use to connect to your camera. And essentially what you want to do is just download it and then sign in with your, I believe it's your PlayStation account, which is your Sony account. If you don't have one, I think you actually need to register one to be able to use this feature. So just go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you've installed the app and you're in the camera, the next step is to obviously go into the menu and go to the network menu, and then you should see a setting for control smartphone, or control with smartphone, sorry. So you just click on that, and then what you want to do is hit connection, which is the second option, and then it'll bring up this. And this is the QR code. So if you move over to your phone and then you go into the app, you can see my camera's already here because I've already connected it, but what you want to do is hit connect with a new camera, and then this will come up. Just hit OK, and then scan QR code. And this is where you'll scan the QR code that's on the camera. So bring the camera in so the camera can see it on your phone, and voila, just hit join. And then it'll take a few seconds, but it should connect. It'll say starts remote connection. And then there we go. It starts the connection with the camera. And as you can see, there's the camera that we're filming with. There's me. Here's a comparison. And yep, so now you're connected. So once you've downloaded the app, you have this display in your phone. So there's a lot of things you can change in here, and it's pretty simple. So if you go down to the settings, you can click on them and you can change your shutter speed. We're even doing it while filming. So I'll just bring it back up to what it's supposed to be. It's a little bit slow, I do find that, but it's okay because having the option to change it with your phone is something that's really helpful. So I just changed the shutter speed. You can change the ISO, might just brighten the scene up a little. If it stops lagging a little bit. All right, and then all the other options are here. Because we're recording, a lot of them are not going to be available, but you can have a look for yourself and you'll understand what you're looking at. So that's essentially it for connecting your phone to an A7 III. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.